Assignment definition and legal meaning. In contracts, assignment refers to the act by which one person transfers to another, or causes to vest in that other, the whole of the right, interest, or property which he has in any realty or personalty, in possession, or in action, or any share, interest, or subsidiary estate therein. More particularly, assignment is a written transfer of property, as distinguished from a transfer by mere delivery. In a narrower sense, assignment refers to the transfer, or making over of the estate, right, or title which one has in lands and tenements, and in an especially technical sense, refers to the transfer of the unexpired residue of a term, or estate for life or years. Assignment does not include testamentary transfers. The idea of an assignment is essentially that of a transfer, by one existing party to another existing party of some species of property, or valuable interest, except in the case of an executor. A transfer, or making over by a debtor of all his property, and effects to one or more assignees in trust for the benefit of his creditors.